Forget what you think you know about weapons. The future of weapons is about to get a whole lot stranger. In this video, we're exploring unconventional weapons that have the potential to reshape the very nature of future weapons. From antimatter to brain drones, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of destruction. Stick around as we explore some of the most potent weapons of mass destruction. Before we start, it's essential to clarify that this video is purely for educational purposes and meant for future references. The intent is not to endorse or support warfare in any form. Our aim is to provide information and insight into emerging technologies, encouraging thoughtful discussions and considerations about the potential impacts on our world. Our journey begins with the enigmatic realm of antimatter weapons, a concept that seems more at home in science fiction than reality. Antimatter, composed of antiparticles, annihilates regular matter upon contact. Evidence of antimatter's existence was initially theoretical until cosmic rays hitting Earth's atmosphere and thunderstorms were found to produce antimatter. When matter and antimatter meet, they undergo a spectacular annihilation, releasing an extraordinary amount of energy. Physicist Frank Close notes that the destruction of a kilogram of antimatter produces about 10 billion times more energy than dynamite. Harnessing enough antimatter could potentially lead to the destruction of an entire planet. Moving on to genetic weapons, we enter the domain of tailored biological warfare. These weapons target specific genetic traits, allowing for the customization of standard biological weapons like anthrax to infect only individuals with certain genetic characteristics. Advances in genetic science, particularly the mapping of the human genome, have made it feasible to identify specific genes associated with different ethnic groups. This information, once seen as a breakthrough in medical research, now raises concerns about the development of ethnic-specific biological weapons. Genetic weapons are not limited to existing diseases, they can also interfere with human RNA through a process called RNA interference. This genetic manipulation could shut down vital genes necessary for human survival. While not capable of completely eliminating an enemy population, data suggests that up to 20% of a population could be immediately affected, causing significant damage. Fast forward to the present, let's explore the phaser, a high-powered microwave weapon developed by the US military. Unlike traditional weapons, the phaser disrupts circuits with a burst of energy, rendering enemy drones useless. Resembling a satellite dish fixed atop a shipping container, the phaser emits radio frequency in a cone-shaped beam. Testing is ongoing, but the potential is clear, the ability to disable multiple drones in a single shot, making it a formidable tool in defensive strategies. If successfully scaled, mobile phasers could revolutionize warfare, rendering entire cities technologically inert. Expanding on direct energy weapons, including lasers and microwaves, we explore their precision and scalability. The US military doubled its spending on research into direct energy weapons between 2017 and 2019, reaching $1.1 billion. These weapons operate at the speed of light, offering unparalleled precision. The USS Portland's high-energy laser test showcased their potential to destroy drones and counter various threats. Because they are powered by electricity, these weapons are more cost-effective in the long run compared to traditional munitions, offering continuous firepower without the need for reloading. Moving into hypersonic kinetic energy, we revisit Project Thor, also known as rods from God. Tungsten rods dropped from satellites at hypersonic speeds have the destructive potential rivaling nuclear weapons. Inspired by lazy dog bombs used during the Vietnam War, these rods can penetrate deep into the earth, making bunkers no longer a safe haven. With no fallout, this concept challenges traditional ideas of mass destruction. Now, let's explore geophysical weapons, a concept reminiscent of James Bond villains. The alleged HAARP facility in Alaska and China's reported success in controlling local weather raised concerns about manipulating the environment for strategic purposes. Seismic weapons capable of influencing the Earth's geophysical processes present a unique and potentially devastating form of warfare. In the digital age, cyber weapons emerge as potent mechanisms for mass destruction. Targeting infrastructure, power grids, and military systems, cyber warfare can cripple nations from within. With everything interconnected through computer networks, the ability to control a country's critical systems remotely poses a significant threat. Shifting to theoretical concepts, we explore isomer bombs, leveraging nuclear isomers to release massive bursts of gamma and X-ray radiation. The potential energy stored in hafnium is staggering, making isomer bombs theoretically hundreds of thousands of times more energetic than chemical reactions. While currently theoretical, research and discussions around isomer bombs continue. Let's enter into psychotronic weapons designed to manipulate the minds of soldiers and combatants. Recent research into unexplained injuries suffered by diplomats suggests the possibility of psychotronic weapons using microwave devices. These weapons can induce painful and debilitating effects, highlighting the disturbing potential of mind control in warfare. Our final frontier takes us to brain drones, autonomous drones powered by neuromorphic chips. Early in development, these AI-driven machines aim to recognize environments and respond accordingly. While still in rudimentary stages, the prospect of emotionally responsive drones raises ethical and strategic concerns in the future of warfare. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the evolving landscape of weapons of mass destruction. From the theoretical power of antimatter to the precision of genetic weapons, the future of warfare is taking unexpected turns. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share High Tech 9 for more such videos. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and stay curious.